One more mechanism of how acupuncture works is through somatotopic mapping in your brains. Both these mechanisms play a part, though for different effects. There is a strip of your brain called the somatosensory cortex, where every square inch of your skin has a designated landing pad. Interestingly, the areas of the brain that process sensations from certain limbs sit right next to the areas that process signals from our internal organs. Stimulating a nerve in a specific part of the wrist, like the famous PC6 point used for nausea, activates a region in the brainstem that directly controls the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is the highway that commands your digestive tract to slow down, reduce acid, and stop spasms. To be completely fair to modern science, did an arrow completely cure a bleeding stomach ulcer, on the spot? Probably not. But what it likely did was instantly break the pain and spasm loop. If a soldier had a painful, cramping stomach issue, a sudden sharp stimulus somewhere else could trigger a massive, systemic flush of endorphins and cortisol, natural anti-inflammatories, while simultaneously scrambling the spinal nerve signals, keeping the stomach in a painful knot. To an ancient healer who saw a man transformed from clutching his stomach in agony to walking around freely, it looked like a miracle cure. Over thousands of years, they simply grouped these connected zones into the lines we call meridians today. They were mapping the hidden highways of the human nervous system by hand, one poke at a time. Suffice it to say, all these miracles force-fed into one another, and healers started claiming all sorts of miracle cures, even for diseases it had no effect on. For example, many diseases do resolve on their own, given enough time, that is. So if you helped with the pain or other symptoms, like nausea etc., you'd automatically have cured the whole disease. This isn't necessarily deception. They just didn't know any better.